Hello YouTube, welcome to Fuzzbuzz. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean cylinder fins on my motorcycle. As you can see, I painted them recently and I'll put a link to that up the top somewhere during the video and you can watch how I painted it. And now I'm going to clean the fins so they polish right up and they look apart and they're going to be chrome. Say that much there. Let's get stuck into it. What you're gonna need is some sandpaper. I got 150 grit, 320 grit, and I think 500 grit. I'll be starting with the 150, try to get most of the paint off. I got a sanding block, a big one. Not sure if that will come in handy, but I also got a little small one that I just cut, and I'm gonna try to use this one to get into all the little nitty gritty places. So that's all you need, and you need some elbow grease. And here we go, off we go. As you can see, it's coming off already. I prefer not to use a machine, as these fins, I mean the engineers of YAMAHA have put a certain amount of space, and with the machine I'm worried I'm going to take off that because this cools the engine down. So I just prefer just to slowly use my elbow grease.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Okay, so I hit it with the 120 grit. As you can see, it's come up alright. A bit dusty, but I'll clean that. As you can see there, it's come up alright. Needs a little bit of work on the edges still, and I'll do that now. Now I'm going to hit it with the 500 grit. And then I got the wet 800 grit. So dry 120, dry 500, and then the wet 800, and it should come up okay. As you can see there, it's come up really cool there and there. Okay, now I'm going to hit it with the wet 800.
Take a step around, see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. To be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So here is the end product. That's what it looks like. As I said, I painted the block on the bike a few weeks ago, and I hadn't gotten around to polishing up the fins. Now I sanded them back. I'll use some chrome polish to get a really good shine out of it, and there you go. That's what it looks like. I think it's come up very well, considering it's on the bike and it's not off the bike, considering I didn't use no machines, all hand by hand. I think it's come up a treat. As you can see from a distance. I'll show you what it looks like on the other side. There you go. All done. Mickey Mouse. Quite happy with that. Quite happy. So please subscribe to Fuzzbuzz. Videos will keep coming. Your support is very important. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, good or bad. Happy to respond to all comments. This is Fuzzbuzz signing out. Till we meet again. Adios.